Hi guys, I'm your trainer Joe. Today I got my American Express Platinum card. So I want to share with you unboxing. A lot of people they do unbox, so I'm gonna show you. So when you open it, you will see some okay here. Okay, so explain about card benefit and stuff. And this is a card here with a good box here, wood box, and then this card, okay, is a metal. It's quite heavy. Good. And then inside here some card here explain about your trip and some other thing. Okay, yeah, okay, all right. So this one is unlimited card. So right now that means I can buy whatever I want, just one shot. Yeah, I can buy whatever I want. Okay, so metal card. It's it's a shiny. Okay, okay, pretty good. So this one, yearly annual fee, I believe 650 or 670 $90. So but they give you $200 credit, travel credit, so you pay $490. But 3 months, when you spend $3,000, you get 50,000 point. So 50,000 point. I think 50,000 point itself is cover your annual fee already. Yeah. So and then this one you can use airport lounge for free, and then priority pass. You don't have to line up. You just go straight forward. And then what else? Yeah, limo service. A lot of good benefit there. That when you use it, you get the extra lot of point as well. So, so exciting to have this card. So okay, it's beautiful card. Okay, I love it. So I'm so excited. So if you are qualified, so I believe you need to have highest your credit. Okay, so highest credit because it's an unlimited card, and then you can apply, and then or I hope you get it, and then you have a lot of benefit if you like traveling. I love traveling. When I travel, I wanna have nice service, very nice service, like nice, no lineup, and then lounge, and then like beautiful service, because traveling can be very stressful for you. Okay, but when you have this car, priority car, but then this can make your trip a lot happier and easier, and then feels good. So okay, so I'm your trainer Joe. Thank you so much.